Alright, hello again. This is Jake here, and I'm going to show you what's inside my sorry, I was right upstairs. I'm going to show you what's inside my soccer bag. I'm playing soccer now, so it's kind of awesome. And I'll show you what's inside. So hang on, let me get stuff out of it. This is a bag I'm using for my soccer bag. I got it from Target. $24.99, so that's an awesome deal. That's a bargain right there. So, yeah. So what I got is I got some cleats, these soccer cleats by Nike. Yeah, go Nike, just do it. And then the other one too. Same brand, Nike, in the purple. And got some pants, some warm up pants because it's getting chilly at night lately. And socks. And then an old football shirt. Old Vans football shirt. That's what I have so far. And where is it? Oh, right here. Damn it. Come on, baby. And then a soccer ball to go with it. Soccer ball right here. There's a soccer ball to go with it. This is really cool. Yeah, soccer ball. Cool soccer ball to go with it. And that's about it for this video. Tune in for next time. I'm going to do a video on my newest edition is the RC trailer.